Are you looking for info about Salt Lake City home window installation? You're in the right place. Today, let's explore the ins and outs of window installation in our beautiful city. Knowing the rates and choosing the right experts can make your home shine. So, are you ready to transform your space? When it comes to home window installation, many homeowners make mistakes. One top blunder is not doing enough research. Always ask for multiple quotes and understand what's included. This knowledge helps you avoid unexpected costs and ensures you're getting the best value for your Salt Lake City home. Another mistake is underestimating the importance of quality. Low-cost windows can be tempting, but can lead to higher energy bills. Investing in energy-efficient windows can save you money in the long run while making your home more comfortable. Remember, it's about quality over price. Finally, clear communication with your installation team is crucial. Don't hesitate to express your expectations clearly. Misunderstandings can lead to delays and frustrations. Be open, and your project can go smoothly, resulting in a beautiful finish for your Salt Lake City home. Home window installation in Salt Lake City is unique due to our climate. Windows not only contribute to aesthetics, but play a vital role in energy efficiency. Quality installations can enhance property values and deliver long-term savings. Explore various options to fit your home style and budget. Let's start with a big question. How long does installation take? On average, most window installations in Salt Lake City can take a few hours to a day, depending on the number of windows. Always consult with your installer for a precise timeline to ensure everything fits your schedule seamlessly. Another frequently asked question is, what are the cost estimates? Window installation prices vary widely based on window types, materials, and the scope of the project. Always request detailed estimates and don't shy away from negotiation to find the most affordable Salt Lake City home window install rates. Lastly, folks want to know about window maintenance. How do we keep windows looking great? Regular cleaning and checking for any drafts can prolong your window's lifespan. It's a simple yet effective way to maintain your investment while enjoying the advantages of your Salt Lake City home. Ready to enhance your home? Call us now for a free, no-obligation quote at 385-300-0903 or visit saltlakecityhomewindows.com. Don't wait to enjoy the beauty and efficiency of new windows. Let's work together to elevate your home today.